You want to know how can you change your handle on YouTube on mobile. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow carefully with me till the very end and you'll learn exactly how. Now, as you know, YouTube starts rolling out handles on YouTube channels, and if you don't set yours manually, it will give you a random one. If you don't like your random handle, you can change it by just following up with me. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depends on what device you're on. So go ahead and open that and search for YouTube in the search bar at the top. Let's go ahead and search for YouTube and then open the YouTube from there, and make sure you have the app updated, or at least have a newer version, not one of those 1 month or 2 month old versions. After that, you can finally go ahead and open YouTube. And from YouTube, make sure you are logged in, and then from here tap on your profile picture or channel picture in the top right corner of your screen right here. From here, you want to go ahead and open your channel, so go ahead and tap on your channel right here, and then from here you find your old handle right there. If you want to change it, tap on this pencil right here, and then go ahead and tap on the pencil right next to handle. That is your handle, and once you tap there, you get this pop-up window in which you can change your handle right here. Just make sure you find or choose an available handle. So just like this one, as you can see, it doesn't let me save it because it's not available and someone has taken it. So let me try a new one, make sure it is unique, and just like that I can go ahead and save the changes and this handle will appear in my channel. Just be sure that this is the one that you want, because you cannot change it for 40 days. So if you want to change your mind, we need to wait for 2 weeks. Now, if you quit from here and go back to your channel, you'll find your new handle right there. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.